Okay, just a quick overview this morning on the gap trades we took yesterday night during our weekly Zoom call. So these were the gap opportunities we had. I didn't quite take all of them, but I took one, two, how many? So I took one, two, three, four, five, six. Right, it's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So I missed out on the Euro NZD, but I took the rest. As it were. Um, and so this is GBPUSD. So it was a gap down. You can see the gap down, and we took a buy trade. And GBPUSD gap down. That's it there. So we took a buy trade. 15 pips again. I mean, um, $15. We set I think it was a 40 pip. Um, a 40 pip. Take profit on this, but just so you can see, gap down, price completely closed the gap. GBP card, because these are all GBP, they all seem to do about the same thing. So GBP card as well, boom, buy, and we're in profit. GBP AUD, boom, same, nicely done. GBP NZD, nicely done. And GBP CHF, again, gap down, nicely done. And Euro NZD, where is it? Yeah, Euro NZD. That also closed the gap at some point, gave us about 25 pips, but price then came down here. I didn't take the spread at the time because the spread was just, I think it was about 26 pip spread, and so I didn't touch it. But now the spread is dropped down to two pips, as it were. So nicely done. The gap, just simple system. If price gaps down, you want to buy, and if price gaps up, you want to sell. And as long as price closes the gap, that's your area or region of most probable profit point. And you can see in history what's happened here. So that was profitable, profitable. And this as well closed here before price came down. So we're taking some profit there. Um, Same here. So closed there, went up slightly, but if you stayed in that trade, boom, came down. This one was profitable, partially. So scratch trade there, profitable again. Just crazy. Um, the way these things just turn out. So it's high probability setups on the gap. Um, Currency pair to currency pair. Okay, any questions around the gap system, do let us know. But this is live for today. All the trades have closed, see them all greened up. And that's what we expect to happen. All right, until next time, you take care, and let's know how we can support you. All right, cheers.